Good morning from Munich, here in Germany, and I'm going to show you everything. I'm so excited. It's going to be an amazing event, and there are a lot of people here already, so let's check it out. Registration desk, so they are giving the badges. Hey guys, how are you? Or even if someone doesn't have a badge, they're printing it out. Here they're giving builder cards. Yes?
Not only, but merchandise at all.
Oh, nice! AWS Event Connect. Join the game and earn swag. Look at this. This space is huge. The whole day packed with a bunch of talks. So I know the sponsors are setting everything up. And here is going to be the keynote. I'll show the keynote later. Hello, Mark. This guy is one of the main organizers making everything happen. Here, the main schedule. Enhancing Kubernetes application availability with Carpenter, that's me, yes. And then floor plan. And the cute little bear. Here's some coffee. Food. This is the DACH community. Let's go up. So many rooms, so many people already. I love this. And the diversity as well. We never stop working, right? Work never stops. Oh, here's swag. Hello, good morning. You're giving out swag?
Yeah, of course. Do you want a t-shirt?
Sure.
We have ladies t-shirts.
Yeah. Ah, nice, perfect. Yeah. Here, AWS Builders card. There are more rooms over there. And I haven't seen an AWS like this ever. So I know the speaker's room and the wardrobe, where they call it the you know, where you put your coat check. But here is like, you put your coat, you leave it there, and you hope no one will take it. This is the speaker's room, and you see someone left their computer. What else do they have here? Espresso. Oh, nice. So you can label your glasses. Soda. And here are the rooms. You can see the schedule for each room. It's really nice. Keynote is about to start. Let's...
Bitte nehmen Sie Ihre Plätze ein. The keynote will start in 2 minutes. Please take your seat.
This is already the biggest AWS Community Day that we ever organized in this whole region. So thanks to you. Woo! Who's a first timer? Who has never attended an AWS Community Day here with us? Welcome.
So we're going to celebrate the 10th anniversary of 4 institutes in Germany.
This is why we choose Massimo for this year's keynote. And with that, I hand over to Massimo.
I'm so excited to be here at Community Day DACH because I'm looking around, there's like over 500 people.
More, I think.
Yeah. 600, 700, I don't know. There's so much energy, especially in tech where you have to continuously learn. There's so much energy around like sharing knowledge between your experiences.
This is a place for you to be comfortable and then have friends, make a network and know where to start.
Yeah.
So there is no seniority level to start speaking and coming to these kind of events.
There are a lot of women here. We are now heading to the workshop, the Women in Cloud, right? Workshop. But you can see that there is a lot of effort going on into bringing more women into cloud, into tech. And I think this is amazing. And again, I always say, if you are a woman and you're insecure, reach out to us on LinkedIn, whatever, if you're in the area, because we want to help.
Let's have some fun and enjoy. And it's really important we have our voice, and that you have your voice and you also use it.
Now it's lunchtime. Let me show you. Thank you. We're going to talk about it before we dive into carpenter.
Welcome, Victoria.
Thank you so much. The event has come to an end, unfortunately. Next year there's more. Now we're going to head to the party, networking. There is beer for everyone. And I'm so impressed with this event, the organization. Let's see where the beer is. Cheers. Hi, cheers. Cheers.
Yippee!